Good morning, children. Yesterday I gave you a comprehension to do on tolerance. Let us discuss the question answers today. Open your book on page 132. A2. On the basis of your reading of the passage, complete the following statements. According to the author, the two ways of dealing with people one does not like are. The answer is in the first paragraph. First is to kill them, banish them or segregate them, and second is to tolerate them, put up with them as well as you can. B. The author prefers dash of the above two ways because. Now the question asks which of these two ways is liked by author and the reason for it. Obviously the author prefers second of the above two ways because we cannot in the post-World War world, Second World War world, we cannot afford to have any negative virtues. There is no place for any negative virtue. Next, C. According to the author, the most essential human trait means quality, for building a civilized world is tolerance, is being tolerant, because with tolerance only we can reconstruct the whole world again. D. The author does not believe in military action and ideals because. Answer is in this second paragraph. Because these ideals cannot be carried out without thousands of human beings getting maimed, killed or imprisoned. And secondly, because there are so many people now, so we cannot carry them out. E. The author feels that tolerance is probably a more desirable virtue than love because we cannot try to love everyone, but we can tolerate everyone. We can at least try to tolerate everyone. The author calls tolerance a desirable spiritual exercise because being tolerant means to put yourself in someone else's place, every time trying to feel what the other person might be feeling. Okay, now EA3. What are the negative traits which should be avoided? These are written clearly in second paragraph. Huffy they have given avoid being touchy, irritable and revengeful. Then these MCQs are there. They are tumbling over each other. Correct answer is second. People contradict, oppose each other's ideas and points of view. B. By one nation is mixed up with another, one city cannot be separated from its neighbor. The author means people of all castes and creeds live together, so they cannot be separated. C part. You are the salt of the earth means you are a very good and honest person. Then D part. By the phrase overcrowded and overheated planet, the author means the world has people of all castes and creeds and so is more prone to arguments and fights. So these are the answers. Now I am giving you one writing task. So far as these situations are concerned, just go through them and try to find out the difference between tolerance and weakness. A tolerant person is not a weak person. These two are different things. Yes, the question is on page 137. You have to write a speech on the topic tolerance, the need of the hour. So you can here talk about terrorism, fights at homes, fight in streets, road rage where people start fighting over other road users, or perhaps wars between two countries. So think how tolerance can help, and if think in this way, if people are more tolerant, can we avoid fights and wars and other things? So this is your homework. You have to write this speech. But other than this, I am giving you one more comprehension. We are doing only relevant things from the unit. The Cold Within. It's a very, very beautiful poem. Do this, read this poem as a comprehension passage and do all the questions which have been given on the basis of this poem. Right? We will discuss this tomorrow, but you have to write that speech. Don't forget that. Thank you.